Welcome to our journey into the rich traditions and superstitions of the Chinese Lunar New Year. Join us as we explore the customs that bring luck and joy to families during this auspicious time. First on the list is Shu Sui, staying up late on New Year's Eve. It's believed that this practice brings longevity and blessings to parents. And of course, who can forget the excitement of receiving red envelopes before bedtime? Next up, we have Buji Fangzi, decorating the house. Transform your space with festive elements like couplets, paper-cut characters, and silver willow. Don't forget the upside-down Fu for that extra dose of good fortune. Now, let's dive into Jiban Nianhuo, buying New Year's goods. From delicious treats like rice cakes and cured meats to the vibrant colors of citrus fruits, the shopping list is a delightful mix of tradition and flavor. And what's a new year without new clothes and shoes? In Tiango Xin Yi Xin Shi, we suggest embracing the color red for good luck. Remember, black is a no-go. As we move on to Da Sao Chu, spring cleaning, it's not just about tidying up. It's about sweeping away the old and welcoming the new. A clean home ensures a fresh start for the year ahead. Don't let debts linger. Chang Huan Jai Wu, repaying debts is crucial. Clear any outstanding debts before the new year to avoid misfortune throughout the coming months. And last but not least, Zhuangman Mi Tong, filling the rice bin. This symbolic act reflects the hope for prosperity. May your rice bin overflow with abundance in the coming year. As we embrace these traditions, we wish you a joyous and prosperous Chinese Lunar New Year. Happy celebrations to you and your loved ones.